ConservatoryLand help people achieve their conservatory dream by supplying bespoke conservatories built at their homes by independent approved installers, saving thousands of pounds. Getting a quote and ordering your fully installed conservatory from us is quick and simple. Request a brochure or quote, or call us to chat through your needs with one of our friendly sales advisors. Whether you need advice or guidance, we'll answer all your questions and help find the best solution. We'll send you a free brochure to flick through, helping you choose the style and specifications that suit you and your budget. Once you've made your choice, we'll send you a drawing of your conservatory with a detailed quote and payment options available. Once you're happy with the design, price and payment option, you can place your order. The approved installer will visit your home to carry out a survey and submit the details we need to manufacture your conservatory. We make the roof, frames and base in our own factory, so everything fits together perfectly for a quick and easy build by the approved installer. Your conservatory will be delivered free using our own vehicles and drivers, ready to be built by the approved installer. The approved installer will return to build your base and conservatory. Plus, our technical team are only a call away should assistance be needed at any stage. ConservatoryLand offer a full 10-year guarantee covering all components. The installation is also guaranteed by the approved installer. But if you have any questions now or in future, don't hesitate to contact us. We're a friendly bunch, always happy to help customers, old and new. Ready to build your dream conservatory and save thousands of pounds? Get in touch today.